This crap. Ain't nobody. The lights on. It was dark. You know, so I was just letting you know what you was coming into. That's all. Yeah. Huh? Oh, you better. So, if they, oh, you got location on. Trust me. Tamara know where I am too. Tamara know where I am. She up on location. Mom, where you make that turn for? Get off my darn phone. I said, this is what the GPS is sending me. Or, you know, Waze or whatever. It's sending me. She says, oh, we don't normally go that way. Get off of my phone. Yeah, but we just at exit 7. But,
I'm just passing exit 3.
Oh, all right. You are my tail wagger. Huh?
I said, you gotta get gas around, you gotta get gas.
Yeah, we done got gas. You didn't listen to the message? Oh, well, anyway, we got gas. The boys got chicken. They got whatever, potatoes.
I saw that.
Yeah, oh, yeah. Yeah, I got gas too because I got a ROFO card and I used it. I forgot I had that card. I must have had that card a year ago. And I done bought gas twice and still didn't use it because I couldn't remember it.
That's the card I gave you.
No, I think I got one on my own too.
Oh,
but if I don't know, they don't ask you nothing. They just take the card.
Yeah.
But I thought I got one on my own because I could got the carton of cigarettes for $62. So I think I got one on my own too. It was in my car.
My car a long time ago.
Oh, but I probably don't know where it is. I don't know. Well, look, is your name on it, bro?
No.
Okay, then shit. After this trip and what the boys do, shut that shit down. I don't care. We done. We'll be home free. Yeah, so she wouldn't sell me the cigarettes out of that store across the track. I guess it was white man's store. I don't care. She didn't really care. So she don't got no cigarettes here. Go across the street and get a card and blah, blah, blah. So I probably got that card that one time. And I think I asked to use your card. I was trying to get another $62 carton of cigarettes. Yeah. But then once you use it, you know, after that. Yeah, but you know, when you use it the first time, you get that big break, and then the second time, you could get like a certain amount of off. Like the carton was $90, right? But if you don't have it, the carton is $130 some. Oh, yeah, like I know it. But anyway, I got. Drive. I told you that I'm a country girl. Anyway, your father's right behind. I stopped. He's that close to me. The one that sent me here. Ain't nobody up here now. Thank you, sister. So he's on the truck side, so he must have been following me. I'm good. I'm gonna walk this puppy right onto the backyard way.
emergency lights. The
Oh, still flashing. Yeah, when they start doing brakes. Thank you, baby. Truck starts off in this lane. That's why I have my emergency lights on so they can see me. Don't do nothing stupid. Got my babies in here with me. Don't do nothing stupid. Somebody they think twice. They take a second look when they see flashing lights. And I actually kind of forgot that they were on. Exit 9, y'all. Look, we could get one can come all the way up here to exit 9. I'm gonna check that out. I think I did that before. I get here next. Apple account. I don't. Yeah, y'all just somebody's trying to scare me on this Apple app right now. Let's rock. Rock or get off the pot, dude. Move over, get off the pot, do something.
police reported ahead.
Okay. Yeah, you police stop that car. Don't look like you're gonna be moving. Yeah, I'm still sitting there. Thanks, officer. Sir. Still look like it's better over there in the car lane. Thank you. Whatever I just said, whatever you say to, just check it out. I don't like it. I get on. Come on. Good Lord. Cars is there's more cars, I believe. Left shoulder closed. What the heck? Left shoulder. Got to squeeze it. Got to squeeze tight, y'all. Oh, it's closed because the dudes are working.
More of these guys on video.
Cover more what?
Trucks.
Well, I thought you ran out of service.
Oh, them from 2 years ago.
Stupid idiot. What's wrong with you, dude? I'm sitting on my freaking horn. Wake your ass up. Now you're gonna make me start cussing at you. Went to sleep. You doze off or did something. You gotta always be paying attention. See, he wasn't coming in the lane, so he had to go to sleep because he stayed. He drifted off and went to sleep or something. Thank God I said on that horn. I was about to top my brakes and let him just go on across in front of me. Probably. Say, whoop, whoop. Let me see Teslas.